Hi guys, this is Cjbeard Jonathan here. I was thinking, if I have a recipe or mixture that I need to make, but it just doesn't make as much as I need or I want more, how do I make recipes and mixtures bigger? Most recipes are either constructed for the amount that you would generally need, or to be defined as a fractional measure using the smallest amount of each of the components like a ratio. With this in mind, if one was to need more than what was defined in the recipe, all they would have to do is simply multiply to get what they need. How about an example? Let's say that I want to make 1 kilo of plasticine substitute, and the plasticine substitute recipe I have yields approximately 36 grams. I need to find out how many pieces of plasticine substitute equal 1 kilo. So 1 kilo has 1000 grams. Divided by, or how many 36 gram pieces, I get 27.7 repeating, so I'll round that up to 27.8. So I need 27.8 of these little pieces to make 1 kilo, and I can use this as a multiplier for the ingredients. So 27.8 times 25 grams of hydrated lime equals 695 grams of hydrated lime. 27.8 times 10 ml of petroleum jelly equals 278 ml of petroleum jelly. And 27.8 times 3 grams of soap equals 83.4 grams of soap. So now I've got more. Will this work? I do need to combine these ingredients into a kind of a mixture. So what is a mixture? A mixture is a substance made by mixing other substances together. But there is a process to the plasticine substitute recipe that isn't just mixing the substances together. I must warm it and stir it while it's warm. So that makes it a recipe. And a recipe is a set of instructions for making or preparing something. So a mixture is a very specific kind of recipe, and the plasticine substitute recipe has ingredients and instructions. So I can scale the ingredients to the recipe. What about the instructions or method? Can I scale them? How about an example? When one bakes a cake, it might cook for 30 minutes, and at that point the center of the cake is cooked and the outside isn't burnt. But if it was much bigger, it would take a much longer time to cook. The inside might still be soft, while the outside is as hard as a rock. But all methods in all recipes first started as an educated guess, followed by experimentation. And a method is hard to know unless you try it out. But if all fails in trying to scale a method of a recipe, it's sometimes best to go with what works. And that is sometimes to go back to the original instructions and just simply repeat it. Sometimes when giant cakes are made, they are made of smaller individual baked cakes. Even the Hoover Dam's concrete was set in sections. As for plasticine substitute in bulk, you'll have to wait until the next one. If you got this far, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you want me to make something else, just drop a comment. And remember guys, break it till you make it, and I'll see you next time.